Hello, my name is Nehal Ravindra Chaudhary and today date is 27 September 2021. Today topic is constructor. So constructor is a block of the code which is similar to the method. Constructor is using instead of the class. Whenever you declare the class, then you can access the constructor. If you are not giving the constructor, then compiler by default using the constructor. It means that the compiler by default create a constructor if you are not calling the constructor. Then constructor, uh, whenever you call the constructor, then you have to use the new keyword. It is allocate the it is used to create a object. It is give the reference to the constructor. Then constructor is allocate the memory. Whenever you call the constructor, then memory is allocated using constructor. Constructor is used by default when you are not calling the constructor. Then constructor have a access modifier. There are the 4 access modifier: public, private, protected and default. It is not necessary to give the access modifier sometime. If you are giving the access modifier, so it's well or best, but if you are not giving, it's not create a issue. Then access modifier using it's give the scope to the constructor. Then constructor is used to constructor don't have a void, it is don't have a return type. Constructor is used, and constructor have a 2 types. First one is a parameterized constructor and second one is a default constructor. Parameterized constructor, it is used to assign a value. It is give to the value to the constructor. If you are not giving a value, then empty block is assigned. It's not necessary to give the parameter to the parameterized constructor sometime. Then for syntax of the parameterized constructor is class name, function into pair of parentheses, parameterize, and then block of the code. For example, class student, then integer id, then string name, then constructor student, then into pair of parentheses, round parentheses, call the constructor, call the parameter. First one is a integer I and second one is a string n. Then allocate the memory to the instant variable. id equals to I and then name equals to n. Then display method sysout id plus space and then plus name. Then main method, and it's create a object of the constructor. Student s1 equals to new student. Then allocate the parameter 10 and then somu. 10 is a id and somu is a name and s1 dot display. So it is an example of the constructor. Then second topic is a default. Default constructor is calling by default calling by the class. It is not necessary to give the constructor. If you are not giving a constructor in this, it's mean that it's called by automatically by the compiler into the Java. Then default have a no parameter. For example, syntax of the default, class name and then code, pair of curly braces. Then for example, integer student, class student, then into pair of curly braces, integer I, then string n, then constructor, then void display, then sysout I plus space plus name n, then main method. Into the main method, call the object and create the object student s1 equals to new student, and then value is default, it means 0 and null. Then s dot display, the output is 0 and null. It means that default constructor give the automatically value to the constructor 0 and null. It is a work of the default constructor. So today topic is constructor. Thank you.